Guys, we got a little bit more good news coming our way. If you look, the U.S. consumer prices met expectation with a 7% gain. Guys, this was important, guys. We were waiting for this number today, and this is good news. This is actually good news. This is going to calm the market down. This is actually, as long as the news are what's expected for the stocks, then stocks do good. Stocks do good. So let's look at how it affected the portfolio today. 3% up, guys, after yesterday's jump up. Yesterday we were up almost $1,000, and now we're up another $500. And let's look at Robinhood. Let's look at cryptos, guys. Cryptos are going up. All the cryptos are going up real quick. We're gonna 3% on Bitcoin, which actually, guys, we've had a good eye on it. It's been stuck at 42,000. It hits 42,000, drops back lower, and it did this for quite a bit. If you look over a week, it just bounce off around 40, around 40, 42, 41. Just kept going, and finally, if we could break through it, guys, break over, we're almost at 44,000 right now. Almost at 44,000 for Bitcoin, which is really good. Dogecoin is following the same path, guys. It's now over 15 cents. It's at 16 cents exactly, so perfect. It's up 5% for today. Huge gain. Ethereum, same thing, guys, up 5%, 4.8. So really big gain, guys, on crypto. It's like cryptos are bound. I think they hit the bottom, guys. Now we're getting some more stable news. The bad news, it's not the bad news is over, guys. Inflation is coming, and that's the ultimate bad news. But things are not as bad as what was announced 2 weeks ago, pretty much. Just calm things down a little bit. It did calm things down a little bit. And now let's look at some of the stocks. Let's look at Robinhood, guys. So Robinhood, guys, at opening peaked up an extra almost 5%. Actually, not quite, but with the pre-market, yeah, it almost did peak up. It went up to 17.20. 17.20, guys. I almost sold off, but I didn't have time. I had to go to work. I didn't have time to really look at anything. I almost decided to sell an extra $500, and I should have, because it dipped. It dipped after that all the way till 11 o'clock, guys. It dipped down to 16. And now it's just coming back up. As you guys can see, it hit 1660. We're seeing one candle in the red. We might be going down the other way. I don't know. We could go. But I'm expecting that it's slowly... It might go back down for another... It might trend down for a minute. I think it's coming back to $17. I think that's what it's going to do. It hit 17 this morning. It wants to go back up there. I'm pretty sure by tomorrow, guys, I'm hoping by tomorrow Robinhood will be at 17 again. We'll have one more opportunity for a little sell-off. Just a little. So, this is good news, guys. Overall, this is good news. Tilray went to a nice little boost yesterday, so they're a little down today. But it's okay. Twitter, it's still at $40. Twitter's not doing that good, and they're resisting. They're resisting that big drop that they went through about a month ago. Was it a month ago, or no, more than that? Yeah, they lost 34%, guys, in 3 months, which is pretty bad. Pretty bad on Twitter. DocuSign down to 140. It crashed. It went down all morning. It went down to hit a low of 137, 138 pretty much. 138. We're back at 140. It would be nice to see a profit here. It would be nice to see it over 145, really. That would be nice. And guys, some good news on Robinhood. Something that I just saw this, and I want to show you guys. Robinhood, guys, I think is doing a good job on some of the moves they're making lately. And one decision that they just made, guys, boom, 3 hours ago. Robinhood workers won't have to come back to work. So, they're going to give the options to their employees to work from home permanently. And guys, why do I see this as a good thing right now? Because it's adapting to the current conditions. It's adapting, guys. What it shows is that Robinhood, guys, is doing a really good job at adapting to the virus and everything going on. So it's a good thing, guys. It's a good thing, because you know what? It means that these guys are on top of it. It means that these guys are on top of it. They're dealing with this whole crisis, with this whole Omicron, this whole virus, in a good way. Ultimately, guys, if they could be successful with employees at home, then they're going to be successful. They're going to be successful. And this whole virus shouldn't affect them too bad. Too bad. So I see this news as positive. Some people might see it as a negative thing, that they're not making people go back to work. I think it's good. If they can make it happen without their employees having to be at work and they can work remotely, then go for it. Absolutely. Keep everyone safer. Might as well. But anyways, guys, I'm going to keep this short. Make sure you subscribe, guys. We'll do an update tomorrow, but things are good today. Things are good. I'm expecting that things should slowly drift up for the rest of the week. That's what I'm really hoping for. Really hoping for. Especially with all these stocks that crash big time. All these meme stocks, all these tech stocks, really. I'm thinking that everything's gonna drip back up this week. That's what I'm hoping for. So guys, give the video a thumb up, subscribe, have yourself an awesome day, and drop down in the comments, what do you guys have your eye on? Which stock you got your eye on? What moves you're trying to do? And remember, I'm no financial advisor. It's just me doing my thing. So I'm not responsible for anyone losing money. We're all trying our best. Guys, I'm out. Have an awesome day. Boom.